Welcome back to KV 102. Now let's go back to Kevin with dishwashers.
It's gonna suck. Okay. Okay, basically, dishwashers are a robot that cleans and rinses dirty dishes. Sorry about that. Humans have to load the dishes, add detergent, set the proper wash cycle, turn it on. Simple as that, right? Not so simple. First, we need to look at the control mechanism. The control mechanism is located inside the door behind the control panel. Many units use a simple electromechanical system, a timer, determines how long each part of the cycle and activates the proper function at the proper time, such as how long the cycle goes on, the detergent dispenser, wash spray, and draining functions. Units that are more expensive might have computerized control systems. Modern units also have a door latch, must be closed for the unit to run. Some have child safety locks, like this Maytag here, so your child can't get in and burn his hands. Or the heck you'd be doing the dishwasher on the dishwasher, you smack that dude around, you know? Next, you have the intake valve, which is where water from the home's water supply enters the dishwasher. The unit pump doesn't pump the water into the basin. When the intake valve opens, water pressure drives the water into the unit. A dishwasher first adds water with the intake valve, and then heats the water to the appropriate temperature so you get these nice, steamy, clean, oh, it's not clean. A dishwasher first adds water with the intake valve, and then heats the water super hot. Just what I said. Just what you did. Automatically, the dishwasher opens, the detergent dispenser at the right time, shoots the water through the jet, and the dish is clean. It drains the dirty water, sprays more water onto the dishes to rinse them. Get all them soaps off, man. You can't have soap on the dishes. Sucks. Okay. While running a timer or a small computer, the dishwasher regulates the length of each cycle, and a sensor detects the water and air temperature, prevents the dishwasher from overheating and damaging the dishes, like breaking them. It's not cool. Another sensor can tell if the water level gets too high and activates the drain function to keep the dishwasher from overflowing. Some dishwashers can even sensor that can detect the dirtiness of the water coming of the dishes. When the water is clear enough, the dishwasher knows dishes will be clean. A big misconception about dishwashers is they don't actually fill up with water. Only a small basin at the bottom fills up. When the water has filled up heating elements, the water is then heated to about 130, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, whatever. An electric motor power pumps which propels the water up to the jet. I don't know if you can see in there. There's a little spinny thing here right here. Spins that water up and shoots it into the dishes. Makes them super clean. Has one of these up there too. It's a little one. After the washing and rinsing is finished, the water is then drained down to the basin where the pump thrusts the water out the dishwasher. The motor pump assembly is mounted beneath the basin in the center of the dishwasher. There are two main types of pumps. Reversible, which means these pumps switch between pumping water to the spray arms and pumping water to the drain by reversing the direction of the motor. Reversible pumps are usually vertically mounted. That way. Direct drive, the motor runs in one direction, so the direction of flow is switched from spray arms to drain by a solenoid that opens and closes. The appropriate valves or switches, one hose connection to another. Non-reversible pumps are usually horizontal. Compact dishwashers have a higher energy
You can't pause it.
Compact dishwashers have a high energy factor. Sorry about that little miscontinue there. Our cameraman pushed the wrong button.
Not true.
Minimum 0.62 minimum Energy Star rated unit 0.88. which is higher because you can have more wash loads of a compact for the same energy since they hold a smaller load. But the highest rating for a compact dishwasher is only 1.39, which means about 0.71 kilowatts per hour, per load, I'm sorry, not per hour, per load. Not much better than most efficient standard unit. Multiply any of the above kilowatt per load figures by 215 and you get what the U.S. Department of Energy kilowatt per year consumed by a dishwasher with the corresponding energy factor. Water waste. Dishwasher manufactured after 1944 uses 8 to 14 gallons of water per load. Your toilet didn't use that much. Damn! Since August of 2009, a machine is required to use 5.8 gallons or less. Most models use about average of 3 to 4 gallons. This one uses about 3 gallons right here, the Maytag, as best brand of it. Although most people find it hard to believe, a dishwasher does use less water than washing dishes by hand. Most people who have dishes by hand, who wash dishes by hand, do so at least twice a day by filling a sink with hot soapy water and leaving the water to run to do the rinsing. People who use a dishwasher normally wait until it's full to run the cycle. For most families, this will be no more than once a day and maybe only 2 or 3 times a week. Energy Star rating. Modern manufacturing techniques are making dishwashers even more efficient. Dishwasher between 1994 and 2009 sucked. 8 to 14 gallons, man. It's not cool. Water saving features. For lightly soiled dishes, most of the newer dishwashers have a shortened cycle that uses less water. They also use skip-free rinsing cycle. Simply scraping off large scraps of food as it's preparing to wash the dishes by hand is all that's required. This consists of 20 gallons per load. We'll be right back with a short break.